Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at Samsung's new wireless charger Duo. This, of course, launched alongside the Note 9, which I have been enjoying immensely. $120 retail. You can see right there, charging both a phone and a watch, or, of course, two phones using Qi charging. And it is supposed to be fast wireless charging. It does include the actual Type-C USB charger, of course, that will connect to this. And yep, pretty much sums things up. Now, is 120 a lot? Yes, but I do think this was a smart product for them to launch, and that is why I picked it up. So with that said, let's break the seals and get down to business, see what this thing looks like. Could you, of course, have two separate docks? Yes, you can. In fact, that's what we were all used to until this product existed, which, of course, I'm having trouble with that last final cut, which hopefully I'll get without hurting myself or the product itself. I think I got it. All right, let's get this open. Now, I went with the white color simply to change things up for those of you that are wondering. You can see right out of the box, we've got our wireless charger Duo, which, let's see what's inside here. I'm assuming this is the power brick and the Type-C connector. We've got our quick start guide, and then, yes, as predicted, our actual Type-C cable, which looks like it has a decent amount of length, which it will need. And this is definitely one of the larger power bricks that I've seen, but it makes sense. It is supplying power, nothing else in this box, I don't think, to this entire dock. So there you have the dock. Definitely clean, nice looking. This is now also a freebie for those of you that are wondering. Right there you can see the Type-C connection point, as well as what appears to be some ventilation. But this is a freebie right now. If you go out and purchase a Note 9 through Samsung or various other retailers, they're including this along with the S-View flip cover, which I'll be unboxing in another video, so that you've got a full suite of accessories for your brand new Note 9. And as I mentioned earlier, you can opt to either place your Note 9 on, the pad like this, or like this, which is why they do demonstrate two phones, or a phone and a watch. And you probably have guessed it by now, but the Galaxy Watch is coming as well, so that'll be another video. That pretty much sums things up. Again, this is the wireless charger Duo for the, launched alongside the Note 9, but of course is compatible with any of Samsung's Qi certified or any Qi certified wireless charging devices. 120, a lot, but you can find it for less. So keep that in mind. And of course, it'll go on sale as time passes. But that pretty much, again, sums up Samsung's wireless charger Duo, which I think is a must-have if you've purchased the Note 9 and you also have purchased the Galaxy Watch like myself. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe. Later.